Keria Dulce De Leche untuk Hari Raya ni. It's sweet, rich, delicious. Alright, so first kali apa kita nak kena buat adalah untuk buatkan dia punya dolce. We're making the Dulce De Leche. And since SAJI is our main sponsor, SAJI has Krimer, Sweetened Creamer. So what we're going to do is, kita nak bukakan dia punya label, put it inside a pressure cooker filled with water and cook it. Kalau anda tak ada pressure cooker, you can put it on a deep pot. Penuhkan dengan air, put it on a stove on a medium heat, and that way you have to boil it for at least 3.5 to 4 hours. Alright, once dia dah siap dalam pressure cooker, semua pressure tu dah escape, kita boleh bukakan dia dan biar dia sejuk naturally. Jangan keluarkan daripada air yang panas itu, biar saja dalam air yang panas itu sampai air itu sejuk. Same thing on the stove. If you're doing it in a pot, allow it to just cool in the pot itself. Okay, and this is what you get. Rich, dark, deep caramel flavor that's been made from milk. Alright, next, untuk Keria, of course, kita perlukan sweet potato. So what we're going to do, we're going to start peeling, cutting and boiling them in a little bit of salt. Alright, so now we've got our sweet potato that's boiling away with a little bit of salt in the water that's going to flavor the sweet potato. Now we're going to start with our glaze. Now that the sweet potato is done cooking, we're going to strain it. And also important, this has to be done straight away when it's hot, because once it cools down, it's almost impossible to get it through the sift. Alright, so you get this nice sort of smooth. Now, once again, this is entirely up to you. It's completely optional. If you're doing a small batch, I think it's okay. But if you're doing a big batch, then, you know, I don't think you need to do this, because it will take a very long time. 1 cup of flour. All right, you can get a glove on, or you want to go in with your hands. It's up to you. It's just that I find that it gets stuck in your nails and it's not so easy to clean. Here I've got a little bit of water that has a little bit of oil. Yeah, that way you won't sort of mess your hands while you're rolling this. See? This is where it gets a little bit awkward. Sort of use your finger, dip it in, create this donutty hole. All right, now the taste test. Sweet potato so soft, doughy on the inside. Caramel made from milk. I mean, it's like double the goodness. Absolutely love dolce. This is like a taste of taking tradition and putting something modern on it. I just want to say a huge thank you to SAJI for their amazing products. We've listed down all the products that we use in the description below, so you can check SAJI out. They've got sweet creamers, evaporated milk, oil, coconut milk, all sorts of stuff that you would need in your basic sort of everyday Asian cooking. Just let me know in the comment down below what you think of this concoction. Do you think it was too wacky? Do you think it's something that is workable? And if you do actually try it out, let me know what you think about it. All right, take care, guys. Love y'all. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.